Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So we're going to dive into some things today, a little bit different. I am doing a Tory Burch unboxing video. So stay tuned for the rest of this video and we're going to be right back. Welcome back. So today I am doing an unboxing video with Tory Burch. I had purchased myself a bag from their website, and I also got this cute little note. It's a thank you note, and there's a QR code on the back and it says empowering women, scan to learn more. And it says, thank you. Our brand started with a founding principle to empower women. We hope you love your order and are thrilled with, we hope you love your order and are thrilled you are a part of our community. I also wrote myself a little card, you guys. You know, I just had to do it. I was like, why not? A note to myself from myself. Enjoy your new handbag. This is the packaging that it comes in. This is so cute. Yeah. So cute. And then it comes with a nice little dust bag. I am in love. And for the grand finale, can I get a drum roll, please? I got a bucket bag. It's so cute. It's so cute. So this is their Fleming soft mini bucket bag. I got it in the color beeswax, and it fits all phone sizes up to an iPhone 13 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy Note 20. It's Napa leather, has a drawstring closure, removable metal chain strap with 22.3 inches drop, and it's a leather, has a leather shoulder guard for comfort as well. This bag is cute, y'all. This is my first time purchasing Tory Burch, and I'm so excited. I have been eyeing a lot of their things for a while. I was actually looking at their summer slides, the little jelly slides that they have, but I was like, you know what? I need a new handbag. So this is something that's super cute for the summer. This is what the inside of the bag is looking like. And the bottom of the bag, it doesn't have any pegs on it, but I do love the quilted leather. It's so cute. And on the front emblem, it has the Tory Burch emblem. And I have to actually take, I have to take this off. Oh, this is annoying. We're gonna be right back. And we're back. So I was able to get all the plastic wrapping off. It was a little bit of a struggle, but I love this bag. It's so cute. It's perfect for the summer, and it's a great size as well. I can fit my phone in here. I can fit my pressed powder, my lipstick and keys as well. And all you do is pull it tight and you press the little thing up. And yes, y'all, I'm loving bucket bags. Bucket bags are in. I originally wanted the Gucci one, but I was like, I want to, you know, I want a budget-friendly bag. So this is what it is looking like. And I'm 5'7", so it does come down to my hip. It's perfect for my height. I think someone who's a little bit shorter, you know, it might be, I don't know. For someone who's a little bit shorter, I'm not sure how much they would like it, but I'm 5'7", and this is where it fits on me. It's cute. It's definitely cute. So the original price for this bag is $428. It is currently on sale for $339, and they may or may not have like an additional sale, you know, due to like the holidays coming up. the 4th of July or maybe Juneteenth, they might have an additional % off, but this is a steal. I'm loving this bag. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this unboxing video and the bag, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.